Minasan konnichiwa. Hello everyone. So today we have Dragoljub with us, Drago. So we are going to study some Japanese. 基礎日本語勉強します. Thank you so much. Okay, so Dragoljub loves One Piece. Okay, so let's look at some. So it should come up fairly soon. Okay, so this is a scene at the island, and it's between Nami and Luffy, and they are a little bit slightly upset at each other. 少し怒ってます. Okay, so we have the first one, the character, as you probably all know. So he says, 知らない, 知らない. So this is the negative form. The verb is 知る means to know. So 知らない, I don't know. And 言われた, he also says, so this verb is you to be told. So 言われた, I was told. So yeah, you told me and I don't know. So that's what he tells Nami. And then let's look at what Nami says. So she speaks quite a lot. Maybe you know Nami as well. So she's a little bit upset. So she says, 何を? What do you want? And then she also says, number 2, 何も知らないくせに. So you don't know anything. So this is very casual Japanese language. Of course, you wouldn't speak like this to your, I don't know, your teacher, your professor, your boss. So it's between friends. So number 3, sorry, I didn't write in English letters, but I'll just read it for you. 8年間この島に何があったかを知らないくせに. So she says, you don't know what's been happening for these past 8 years on this island. And then number 4, あなたには関係ないから. So this is none of your business. So you're not related to this. And then number 5, 島から出て行けと言ったでしょ. So I told you to get off this island, didn't I? And then number 6, it's kind of repetition. She also says 出てけ, so go away. Okay, so if any of you would like the script, I'll add some more English or whatever, some more simple Japanese. Please feel free to contact me or to write. So this is more for N5 level, introductory level Japanese. And yes, I have a ball here. So let me pass the ball and let me stop sharing. So Dragoljub is actually a professional football player. So he plays soccer, no sensu desu. Okay, he plays really, really well. Maybe you can catch him somewhere in Belgrade playing. So thank you so much. ありがとうございます。じゃあ皆さん、さようなら。
Goodbye.
Bye.